COURTMAS. What's up, you guys? So today, now I'm just on my way to the gym because it's time to be healthy for the girls, and I'm gonna take y'all with me if I can. Like, I've never been to this gym, so I don't know the vibe, you know. I don't really like to work out. I don't want it to be long, especially during COVID. I just want to get in, get out. And I also forgot my stand, so yeah, but I'll try to capture a little bit. Like I said, all I'm planning to do is literally the treadmill for 30 minutes, so we shall see.
They do anything for clout, do anything for clout, they do anything for clout, do anything for clout. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. Watch your mouth, stay in your place, get out the way. My on your ass, Kim K. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be trippin', but we love, yeah. Trippin', swappin', I cost on my. I bought her the limo, she bought me the Wraith. Swap it, practice, make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never.
Y'all, this is the conditioner that I was talking about. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I don't not have to go to CVS anymore. This looks cool. But yeah, this is the best ever. Look at this baby. Now it's time to get up, girl. This big old baby. So I'm about to try to wake her up. And then I need to do some meal prepping. I'm gonna cook my salmon. And I'm gonna get ready to film because it's COURTMAS and I have a lot of content to film, okay? I'm gonna kind of show y'all what I do for my salmon. She's still there.
I took the out of the snake, I took the soul out of the snake. Then I took the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gonna bite on the bait. Sipping no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this great. On the low, mask on the face.
Y'all, so me and Aaliyah just finished a video. And we did behind the lines. That might be a series, so if you guys like that, definitely go watch it. Well, if you have watched it, make sure you liked, because we'll make it into like a series and we'll do different songs. This is the most followers I have on any social platform. Ain't that crazy?
We'll make mine.
You have to do one for let me show you the one that I was talking about them. Like the sound. Hold on, where she at?
It's gonna be on Apple Music and Spotify.
I'm talking about
oh, hers.
Dang, I can't go to the video. Okay, whatever. But literally she was like, she just singed it where he sings it, and I feel like if you do that, it will get a lot.
This is my part, nobody else speak. This is my part, nobody else speak. This little light of mine.
Oh yeah, I do sing that part.
Right? So if you just, all you have to do, everyone's doing it. Like literally, you just use your own voice.
This is my part, nobody else speak. This little light of mine. Glory be to God.
And if you do that, child, how many? This got 80,000 likes. I'm telling her, TikTok is the move. I'm telling everybody. I put it in my most recent blog. I was like, if you're not on TikTok, get on TikTok, because
that's where it's at.
That's where it's at. Like, for real.
But
yeah, we're about to film a mukbang. I was like, I need to go get my salmon out the oven, and then we could go get food.
And then we're gonna come back
and film a quick little mukbang.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, you got it.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? So, we back. We're doing a mukbang with Chick-fil-A. Oh, we said that at the same time.
With chicken fillet. She got a large, girl. Well, I can't be talking because I got fries. I got the medium fry. I got the mac and cheese. You feel me? Focus, baby, not on me.
They never want to like
in a 12-piece.
Oh yeah, you telling everything?
Yeah.
So we got like a number of different like hot topics that's been going on.
I just feel like, what was the first thing that we said?
We had Asian doll and King Bong.
Yeah.
And basically like what's been going on,
I really like her. I really do like her because she's real. And I feel like their love was genuine.
I feel like,
and you don't get a lot of that.
For me, I do feel like she, like, to me, I feel like it's a bit over the top, like what she's been doing, but at the same time, I would never say that or talk about her because you don't know what they're going through.
You never know.
Or what she's going through, what they had, all that.
To me, she's the best person. I wish I could be her friend. I can be like, I'm here for you.
Right.
Because, no, for real, like,
I feel like
that's
during this
sad.
time,
You really need
people to be supportive.
Well, not really, because you can't trust nobody.
Right. She probably struggling with that.
Nah, for real. Because it's like, what in the world?
Thank you.
You were just gonna drink.
I know. It was so good.
What is that?
I got, oh yeah, I didn't tell y'all what I got. She told y'all what she got, but I got the spicy chicken sandwich, no pickles, add pepper jack cheese. I got a half tea, half lemonade, and then a large fry. And I got all the sauces basically.
Yeah, it's a whole stash over here.
I like the Polynesian the best, but I also get sweet, spicy sriracha and chick-fil-a just because.
No honey mustard? That honey mustard is like crack.
Really?
I love it.
I like the.
My dude say that honey mustard is like that.
Chick-fil-A.
He said they just changed the
They put what you call it in it? They said barbecue sauce.
Oh yeah. Okay. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. But
yeah.
what about Rolling Ray and
Oh yeah, so the next topic is Rolling Ray versus Santana.
I think that I ain't really listened to it, but
Oh well, okay. Let me tell y'all.
Walk should not be. What is it? Let me see. Walk.
Yeah.
That's disrespectful. You know damn well he can't walk.
So let me give you a little background now, cause
you didn't. Okay.
Cause basically, what happened was on Twitter, a fan added Santana and said,
"You look like him.
Is Rolling Ray your brother or something? Are y'all related or something like that? Something along those lines." And then Santana said, "Don't get blocked." To the fan. Then Rolling Ray sees that and he's like, "You could have just not responded to the fan. Like you ain't have to."
So why you do that? Well, you just like right. Is there a problem?
And so that's why I was like, I was team Rolling Ray after he said it, because it's just like, yeah, why would you even
like
why would you even mention that?
You know what I'm saying? If you know that ain't your brother, okay.
You have to respond. And if
they're trying to be funny, then okay.
Let them
be funny.
Don't get no attention.
So now you just saying that there's a problem. What was the issue?
Exactly. And so then, like the day before he dropped the song, Rolling Ray tweeted, he was like, "I just finished listening to Tory Lanez and now I'm about to listen to Megan. I'm so toxic." And then, and so everybody like, bruh, like, why are you listening? And so then he was like, so it's just music. So that's why I'm like, if that is a diss record to him, it's just music. Like Ray said. But JT said that it wasn't about him. He said that he recorded it like weeks prior.
Oh, and it was just okay.
And he just, but Rolling Ray was like,
I was about to say,
you could have went with another song. You didn't have to release that one first.
That's true, but if that's his best hook, if that's his best song,
I think it's catchy.
That's what I'm saying. And it's like a TikTok type challenge. Let me see you walk. So
it was.
I get it. At first, I thought it was like really a sneak diss.
Me too.
You know, social media takes everything and turns it.
They do, and it's like, but I feel like I'm not even mad because he was like, it's just music, so it's just music.
You really made that chicken your own.
Or open it up like that.
That and cheese. A lot of people don't do that.
Yeah.
I only seen a plain chicken sandwich.
Right.
You know, just like the Popeyes sandwich.
Oh yeah.
It's on bomb as hell.
You should be getting that.
Man, they said no. I don't even go to Popeyes.
I don't be going to Popeyes. Yeah.
But I'll say that Ocean City, their Popeyes is like the best fucking Popeyes in the world. Because nobody be out there. Nobody be out there. They don't really eat Popeyes. They all cook. Out there, it's all older people.
Yeah. But
that shit was fresh too. But
that's why I feel like they lack. Like, I went to Popeyes, the one by grandma's house.
oh yeah, they ain't fresh. They in the hood, okay? That's the hood.
And I asked for them to make my chicken tenders extra crispy. They said no.
They can't tell you no.
His church said no. And I was like,
I would have let What was it? Oh, okay. Thank you.
but I really want to try that shrimp, so I was like,
oh,
that
shrimp.
shrimp was good.